What do you guys think of the new decals for the pack, man? I know we had that one last time, but these are like the official decals. Looks pretty nice, man. If you guys are interested maybe in rocking these on your car, let me know. I might be able to ship them out. I'm not the one who makes them, so they will be sold, guys, not on my behalf though, so I'll be able to hook you guys up pretty cheap, not super expensive. But anyways, let me know if you guys are interested. We're gonna go take some photos, a little photo shoot, and we are here ironically in the place where you know, where I crashed my car. Yeah, it was right here, dude. All right, so I kind of look at this guy, got my rim. Where is it? Yep, that's my rim. Actually came for a field trip, guys. I mean, ironically, this is where I crashed, but everybody now sees what happened. And I didn't lie to you guys, the rim was down here. Yeah, look, the tires over there, and the rim, oh, it's right there. Yeah, I don't know how, like, I went through all this, and then like the wheel just hopped on over and fell inside.
That's crazy with it.
Yeah, like I clicked the brake, I pressed on the brake, and it just went this way. But I think though, I guess the wheel got like loose when I hit the sidewalk. Yeah.
I think you can powder coat that.
You think you can weld them back?
I also leave anyway, so okay. Band-Aid, bro.
Shoot.
It's a little Band-Aid.
Hey, well, the tire's good. Anybody wants it? 275.
Why didn't you ever take the tire rim?
This guy messaged me. He's like, hey, can I go get the wheel? I need a new tire.
50 bucks, bro.
50 bucks. It's yours. Hey, skinny dip. I'll give you 20 bucks.
Hey, that's a good campaign.
If this video gets 1 like, you have to come skinny dipping.
Content.
For the content. What's your opinion, dude? I'm stupid. This guy just laughed when I told him. That was his reaction. He just laughed. Oh, it's like that bottle flip. I just take pictures. Alright guys, we are in spot number 2. As y'all can see, the crew is lining up for the pictures. I'm not really concerned about getting pictures for my car. I try to get some here and there, but this is spot number 2. We finished with spot number 1, and those pictures came out pretty good. I am gonna try to leave them scattered here and there, that way y'all can check them out. But if you guys are interested in checking all the photos out with the editing, make sure to check me out on Instagram, Albert_S197. I will leave everybody's Instagram in the description, that way y'all can check out everybody's pictures. But we have everybody here. We got the beautiful sunset right now, golden hour at its best, so we're trying to beat that light. We got Barney in the house. We got Manny and the Mopar brothers. Are you freaking serious, dude? I told this guy, move your car, that way I can take a picture, and he's like, hold on, I need a call to see if it's open. This guy, dude, we're fighting the freaking sun. You two or what? You want to go eat?
There's a pizza place right here.
You know, that's the last time I'm taking y'all's pictures. All right, guys, this pretty much wraps up spot number 2. I think this was the best spot for pictures. We found, like, just in here, we found like 1, 2, and 3 different shots right there, different sceneries we could use. So it's gonna look really, really nice. But now, next is where are we gonna place the decals? I don't know, man. Where's a good spot? Because we're trying to get coordinated and have everybody place the decals at the same place. I don't know where's a good spot. I don't propose putting on the windshield just because I already have the banner. So the next thing would be probably having it down here or on the window or the rear. I don't know, but where, so we can all have it together. Unless you want to put it up here on the side or in the middle. I don't know. On the lure, on the wheel.
Oh shit. Aquí cabe machín.
On the gas cap? Nah. Are they reflective? Yes, oh shoot! Stay there, stay there, stay there. Let me see. Put it back over there. Wait, aren't they? Look at that. Ah, y'all can't see that. Can you? Let me see. Use your flash. Can you see it? Nah, y'all can't really tell that much there. From that angle? Like, badass. So I didn't even know, but we have reflective freaking decals there.
You make a big ass one
on the whole car. Very nice. What's your opinion where we should have the decals on? You got on your butt cheek. So when you get your cheeks clapped, have the pack. Where's a good spot? Well, I can't have it up here. I can put it down here, but I can't put it up here because I just put a banner on top.
On top of this?
On top of yeah. Get fined and get your car repoed. I don't know, where's a good spot? I mean, I say, y'all can put it up there, but I'll put it down here. Or you can go in the rear or in one of the windows. Where's Sergio? We don't have back windows. I mean, like the back. Oh, sorry, we don't have a 4-door. Top left in the back. Top left in the back. Done. Top left in the back. Winner chicken dinner.
Yes, sir.
Where's your opinion? Where's your opinion where we should have the? Why are y'all suspect here, dude? The mosquitoes. Where do you think we should put the decal on?
Top right.
This looks so weird. I'm just like, I'm not talking to anybody. Top right. We said top left. So I guess we're in the same page, kind of.
We gave it like one of the new stickers. 4 against 1.
Oh, big dude. That'd be pretty badass.
4 against 1.
4 against 1. I mean, we can put in the group, see what everybody else says. What are those?
Los Crocs.
Oh, dang. I like them. I love it. Anyways, guys, that's going to wrap it up. We're just trying to decide where we're going to put that decal, the official, the pack decal. Again, if you guys are interested, I could sell you guys some. They're not coming from me. I do not have them. I'm not the supplier for them. We're just getting them off of somebody else. But guys, if you're new to the channel, subscribe, show some love. Those of you who are subscribed, make sure to drop a like, guys. Leave a comment down, say what's up. I'll catch you all on the next one. God bless.